For this I was born.
It's a well-mannered dog.
Thank you. I'm a dog trainer. Yeah.
Doesn't like strangers.
No, she doesn't. Oh, this is the aisle. Hey, good. This is the aisle, sir.
Oh, no, I didn't do it.
For this I came into the world.
Good. Here we are at Home Depot. She always shakes her head while she's wearing this training collar. But I do clean her ears once a week. I'm going to let her check her P-mail, and then we're going to get started. But today is a beautiful day for doing it yourself. So if you're out there learning how to, good potty baby, learning how to train dogs yourself, stick around, see what's up. Good, 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 good. Pretty girl. Good. Okay. Oh, she's really good at sitting. Okay. I need you to check the P-mail, babe, so we can go inside. And hers is in heat. She's very receptive. She's very emotional and moody. And she is going to be the Valkyrie at my side today. You hear that whining? Who knows if she's whining because she wants to be combative or friendly? Who knows? Yes, we just did a little bit of defense work with her night before last. Good, there's a gentleman there in some crutches. All right, heel. Good. So that's going to be strange just because she's not used to seeing that. So it's a perfect opportunity for me to check her being done. Good. Good, good. Good heel. All right. Well, look. Good. Good. How you doing?
Hi.
Good, good, good. Thank you. Very good. Good. Oh. I wonder if this is where I need to go. No, I don't think so. Good. Good. Stay. Look at all that. No. Dude. You can't be fucking up that fast. I'm not going to put up. How you doing, baby? No, I'm looking for mop heads. I don't think they're down that aisle. Thank you. Good. Oh, it's being opened anyways. Good. Perfect opportunity. So look. Being nervous. So what's going to do? Bring her a little out around. There you go. Be brave. Good. Good. You feel good, afraid of? Good, good, good. Alright. Good. So she's done really well in terms of coming along with her defensive nature. Good. I think the mop heads are down here. Good. Heel. Good sit. Heel. Stay. Tight. Good. Stay. Big, huh? Sometimes when I see her in the yard, I get panicked because I think, oh shit, that's Esau. She even yawns like Esau. Stay. That's amazing, huh? So these are the mop heads. I'm thinking about getting a separate mop. Good, stay. Good. Good, good, good. So look, I'm looking to catch her off guard. I want to do in about 10. Good. Okay. These are the ones I like. I don't like the ones that have that extension. Because got dogs, you gotta really scrub. Good, good, good. Oh, look, your fingers are healing all right. Good stay from when that happened. Look. Heel. Good heel. Good. Good sit. No, ma'am. She wants to stretch it off. Heel. Good sit. Heel. Good. Good heel. Stay. Pow. That's good, huh? That reminds me, if you haven't already, started following me on Instagram. You should be. Pow. She got leash. Stay. He's tricky with two. Heel. Good. Good heel. Pretty. Good sit. Heel. You want to scrape the collar off. Good. Pretty. Heel. Good sit. Stay. Oh, no. She in here too. Pow. Pretty. No ma'am. No ma'am. Good. Stay. Oh, pretty girl. Awesome. Come here, humiliate me, baby. Probably because of that sound, huh? But look, her load being put on the leash. That's why you want to use a thin leash and training collar, so that you can catch them off guard. Good. Awesome, huh? Alright. I think my baby's been doing really good. I love bringing her to Home Depot because there's all these sounds. But you see how quick I am to correct? I'm gonna get these blue ones. There used to be two in here, but I suppose it's just a single mob now. Okay, heel. The thing is, it costs the same amount as it used to for two of them. I might be wrong, but I feel like there's only one in there. Either way, I got what I needed, and I'm excited. That's all I needed. Good. Good. Pretty. Let's put that, huh? Don't blame you. Nope. Good. Heel. Obedience is on point, man. Got a little sloppy on me there because I was focusing strictly on her play work, which is still a big part of our daily situation. Look at that. Good. Good.
The whole transaction.
Good. Alright. We'll start scanning the rest. Damn. This thing says 16. Oh. Thank you, sir. You know, this mop head here, it said it was $9.97. In fact, I had it on film. It said it was $9.97, but here it's ringing up. I can't take it for. I'm not gonna take it for $17. It was marked as $9.97. I got it on film too.
Okay.
But you don't have to take my word for it. You can go check.
Okay.
So that's the actual price of it.
Okay. What hour? You don't remember?
The mop aisle. I don't remember what number that is.
Give me one second. Because I'm a trainee and
Okay. Yes, sir. Yeah, well, let's go figure it out. I don't know that it's supposed to be marked down, but it rang up at $9.97 or something. And it's, I mean, that's what it was marked at there at the shelf. And here it's coming out to $16.97. So that's the actual price. I'm just not going to take it. I'm okay with that. You want to check? Good. So you're new here, huh?
Actually, I've been here a year.
Oh, congratulations.
But
Next month, huh?
Yeah, I was in another department.
Oh, were you?
Yeah, I was working nights and freight.
Okay, nice and freight, huh?
And I got so used to it. It's a well-mannered dog.
Thank you. I'm a dog trainer.
I can
Yeah.
tell.
Yes,
Doesn't
sir.
like strangers.
No, she doesn't. Well, this is the aisle. Hey, good. This is the aisle, sir.
Oh, no, I didn't do it. God,
Hey.
everything.
This is, yes, sir. Yeah, she's about 8 months old.
Oh, yeah, she's gonna be big.
Yes, sir. And you know, when I first got her in for training, she was just really aggressive. Everybody she saw, rah, 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 rah. She's from Washington. So you see what I mean?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
I'm being charged for this one.
Maybe this
But
one was
that's
in the
not-
wrong bag. I mean, maybe somebody
Oh.
put it in the wrong.
Does it say the number 2 on that thing? It does.
Yep.
Yeah, somebody took one out of there.
Yeah.
Damn. You know,
It's
shitty
okay.
people
It's
are,
all
boy.
right. It's all right.
That was it. Oh man, it's much smaller. Okay. That one must be
That
it.
good? Is that good?
Yeah, does it say 1?
Yeah, I can.
No, right at the top. It doesn't say 2. It should be that one. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you want me to check it? Make sure?
Okay. Yeah, that's something. Good idea to me.
Okay.
Fantastic. Technology is amazing.
But I still don't think it'll replace it. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
I'm old school, dude. I was like, there's the old handshake and all that other stuff.
Amen.
Here it is.
Amen.
All right.
I picked up the wrong one and it only had one in there, but it was supposed to have 2.
Well, see what happens, people throw stuff in the wrong box,
They just don't care.
you know. But, I mean, it's their prerogative. It's,
Yep. And you know what? I'm sure it's because of people like that that sometimes they need to hire extra help.
to straighten things out.
So God bless them then, in a way.
Yeah.
They're providing jobs for the economy without even knowing it.
Yeah, and you know what? It makes it easier.
Yes, sir.
Your situation, like you grab something.
Yeah.
That's why I don't even fuss with people. I mean,
Nope.
if they got instruction, if they got all the same size potato
Yes, sir.
chips on the cheaper price side,
Yeah.
what we call it overflow.
sir.
I just said, well, you know what? I know what the price is.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna, I'm not
Amen.
gonna fool with it.
All right, I think
Okay,
I got
this
it
is
all
where
under
we were?
control. Yes, sir. I can
Okay.
take it from here.
Did it stop?
Yes, sir, it did. They must have just deleted the whole thing. I'm fine with that. Look at that.
There it
Beautiful.
is. See?
Bless you, sir. Congratulations on being here a year, yes?
Bless you. I got one more month.
One more month before it's a year.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
I've been over
December.
here cashiering like I had a week of training, a week of
Yeah.
orientation, and another.
You're doing amazing, and your name is Kurt, yeah?
Yes, sir. Thank
Awesome.
you very much.
Bless you, sir. Thank you so much for your service. I
Love
really
it.
appreciate it. Good,
Love
good.
it.
Pretty dog, huh?
Yeah, my wife's, my girl's sister
Uh-huh.
has a Rottweiler,
Okay.
and they went all the way up to Texarkana to get 2 boys.
Oh, 2 male dogs,
Yes,
huh?
from the same training.
Okay.
And my gosh,
Yeah, that's beautiful.
that's He's
She's actually, this is a female.
it's like she's what 10 months.
Yes, sir, right around there.
Yeah,
Right, 10 months
that's
old.
how old.
She's still a baby, and you know, when I got her in for training, man, she was real hot.
Yeah.
She would not let anybody get near her, so now she's got nice and calm.
Yeah.
Please, would you like an e-receipt?
Yeah, 'cause she's a beautiful dog.
Yes.
Pretty girl. She's all
Thank you
coming
for
over here.
shopping at the Home Depot.
I'm looking at her. You know, when I first saw you, I said, "Oh, that's a beautiful girl."
Yes, sir.
Now, what kind of
Yeah.
boxer is it?
No, she's a kind of Corso.
Kind of
She's
Corso.
an Italian Mastiff.
Okay, master. I
Yeah.
see by that head.
Yeah, she's big. She looks like a male
And
dog.
those- and those
She's
paws.
female though. She got nice muscle. Pretty girl. Good, darling. I see you, baby. You're so
Now,
trusting.
Get to
Let me get
get to
my.
these photos. You got yourself.
Yes, sir. All things there. That's exactly what I needed. A mop. Pretty girl. No luck, huh?
No, they're way down in here.
Yeah.
When they both were together, they were just little puppies.
Yes, sir. So she went all the way to Texarkana. Heal.
Yeah,
Thank you
well,
for your help, sir.
Thank you,
Bless
sir.
you. Bless you, Kurt. Yeah, I will, Kurt. Thank you so much, buddy. Good. Awesome, huh? Oh, it's fantastic, man. What a blessing to come here. I love Home Depot. Thank you all so much for watching, especially since you stuck around until the very end. If you haven't already, please do subscribe and paw the bell so you'll be notified when I upload another video. Damn it, I forgot where I parked. Good. I know it was closed. Oh, there I must be. Good. Alright. My name is ErwinValderramos, the Dog Messiah, the lover of dogs in person. I tell you, Roxie, never forget, but don't make any mistake.
For this I was born.
Go tell them.
For this I came into the world.
Awesome power. Go bananas, pretty girl. You are so pretty, babe. Good. So be ye angry and sin not. Don't let the sun go down upon your wrath. Instead, you must be still, commune with your own heart upon your bed, and be silent. And as with all things, when you do it, you must be intense in the doing it. If you are lukewarm, you're told in Scripture, I will spew you out. Be it that ye are either hot or cold, but because thou art lukewarm, I will spew you out. You can't accomplish shit in this world if you're tepid and timid. You must be intense about everything that you want. Set yourself on fire and the world will follow. You are called to dominate the earth. Bless you all.
Oh, beautiful, huh? Look at him. What a goofy dog. Good stay. He gets really excited. So I don't make him lay down much because hell, he just lays down after I make him sit stay for a while. He gets himself nice and comfortable. And if he's on grass, he rolled around on it and I picked that out. I won't tell you. I think he did. Handsome.